Gwen Garcia, our dear Governor Gwen Garcia. Good evening po. And Vice Mayor Augustus Young of Cebu, also natural. Vice Mayor Young, Councilor Alco Seba, and the rest of the City Council of Cebu City. Maayong gabi po. Magiging bababaan.
We have the National Treasurer here. She seems to always on stage every year. She's here tonight. Ms. Ophelia Oliva.
She's the dancing city treasurer.
Yes. She's the treasurer here. She counts every step. What's what you made your dinner last night?
That's right, Madam Margarita. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dinner.
Thank you for our dinner. And thank you to our dear friends, friends of the boy who has been Nico's friend since high school. That's Gabby Cruz and his beautiful wife, Leah. They live here, so that's why it's not
Yes? So happy.
Thank you so much. I have to live in your house.
Yeah?
Have you seen the house? Take the money.
Sige pa ba
Have
yan?
you been to the commercial? I haven't. Oh, you got me.
Oh, that's right. Okay, go ahead. And of course, Jude Castillo of IPI. That's right, Dennis Wong and Nico de la Merced, also of IPI. And McDonald's! Thank you, McDonald's!
GC's for everyone.
This is the one product I've been in as long as my marriage.
What?
McDonald's. 16 years now. Yeah, no coffee. Yes.
You're a big man.
You know, I want to say thank you to Jack and John.
Where is Jack? Jack's
Jack,
alive.
where are you?
Look at that man.
Love you so much for my 101.
Your fault we have traffic. I just want you to know it's your fault. How hard is it to tell traffic here in school? There's traffic today. Every day.
Well, that's not true. And Fort Seafood, Navasalat, Chick Palace. Chick Palace is that where we have dinner?
Yes,